Hey guys, this is Corey Hymas, the Subaru nerd here at Cruise Subaru. I wanted to dive a little bit more into the Eyesight and the pre-collision throttle management. Last time we talked about the pre-collision braking, but this time we want to talk about the pre-collision throttle management. The Eyesight, again, is these two color cameras that sit right on top of the windshield and see everything in front of the car. So it's like having an extra set of eyes on the road all the time. So let's jump in the car and we'll go over what the pre-collision throttle management is. All right, so here we are inside this 2017 Outback Touring. We just got it on the lot. It's available. And here are those Eyesight cameras right here from the inside view. Now, the pre-collision throttle management will actually cut the throttle if you're pressing the gas towards something that is stopped. It'll cut the throttle about 90% and warn and beep at you and hopefully give you enough time to stop the car before you hit it. Before you hit the thing in front of you. So it'll do it on a wall, another car in front of you, anything like that. Where that really comes in handy is if, let's say, you're merging onto another road and you're turning right, and there's a car in front of you and you're looking left and to see if there's any cars coming to turn right, and you don't see that car hasn't gone in front of you yet, and you press the gas and rear end them. So again, it'll warn and beep at you and hopefully cut the throttle and hopefully prevent that accident from happening. So it's another way that Subaru keeps you safe, and it's awesome to have the Eyesight for safety in your car. If you're interested in this one, again, this is a 2017 Outback Touring. We just got it on the lot. Text me and feel free to come see it.